add real quick, also while we did all of this today, my district is still underwater. My district has not received federal aid. My district has not received the governor coming to a district where we had a 1 in 1,000 year flood, where people are suffering, they have lost everything, and they need help. So while we're here doing this, that doesn't help anybody, that impacts 0.6% of the population, that hurts people. I have a district that is actually hurting, that needs relief, and yet we have yet to see our governor.